Didn't we have an installer that we were supposed to show the error was ways tonight?
Nope, not anymore. They all used ARDEX products, so their installations won't fail. And even if they did, they're all protected by ARDEX SystemOne warranty for up to 25 years.
Oh, I was so looking forward to seeing the fear and disappointment in their eyes.
Actually, I know this Ebenezer guy who didn't use ARDEX products. Maybe we should show him. He's gonna get some callbacks when his installations fail.
Ooh, maybe this installer likes to waste time and money.
Now that sounds like a good time. Oh, this game's rigged. Oh well, go get him, Pass.